Hi everyone and welcome to a new review from Android B. Today we're gonna take a look at a game developed by Jan Richter called Build Bridges. It's a brain puzzle game based on a logical puzzle developed some time ago by a Japanese company who also developed Sudoku. So this game, Build Bridges, is based on Hashiwokakero. That's the Japanese name of the logical puzzle game that I was referring to, where the idea is that you are presented with a number of islands. You can see them represented in here by circles, and you have to connect each of the islands using bridges. The lines between the circles are actually bridges. Each island has to have as many bridges as they are shown in the circle. So, for instance, for this island, there should be 4 bridges, and there are several rules. Each of the bridge has to begin on an island and end on a different island, so you cannot go back. All of the islands have to be drawn. The bridges have to be drawn in straight line. And they may only run at 90 degrees, so you cannot do diagonal bridges. That won't work. The game is very simple, and it's following the same rules of the original logical puzzle. I'm just going to start a new game. Let's use a small one. The idea is that you have to connect all of the islands. You just tap on on the island from where you want to make the bridge connection until where you want the bridge to end. Initially, you have some visual guides. Each of the islands is colored in yellow, meaning you don't have yet enough bridges. So all you have to do is connect all of the islands. All of them have to be connected in one way or another. And if you try to draw more than 2 bridges, the existing one will be removed. So all you have to do is just connect the islands. What I usually do is try to connect all of them, and then just follow the guides to finalize the connections. In this case, I'm referring to the guides as the number of bridges that each island has to have. So now all I have to do is basically connect all the islands, and then you finish the game. This is the case here. I chose an easy puzzle, but if you want, you can choose more difficult ones. And as you can see, there's a timer that shows you how much you spent on it. There's others, quick information like what type of puzzle you've chosen. You can refresh the game if needed, which basically means that all the moves you've done will be erased. Or you can undo or redo a move. If I do undo and redo, I can edit, basically manage one of the moves. The game is very simple, and if you know this logic puzzle already, you'll get right into the game. There's nothing else to do than simply start playing and enjoying the game. The game is free, and this shows some advertisement, but they don't affect the gameplay. So you barely notice them. To read more about the game and share your feedback, please visit androidb.com. Thank you for watching.